Hi, I'm Jared with Arizona Tile, and I'm here today in our Tempe Slab showroom to share something truly exciting, our brand new De La Terra porcelain slabs. If you're planning a remodel or designing your dream space, you know how important it is to find the perfect material for each surface. Something that's not only stunning, but also tough enough to handle daily life. Whether you're looking for a durable countertop, stylish shower walls, or even a sleek exterior cladding, De La Terra porcelain slabs are here to wow you. Let's dive into what makes them so special. De La Terra porcelain slabs are crafted from natural, raw materials, including environmentally friendly mineral pigments. Using the advanced Continua manufacturing process, porcelain powder is compacted into large sheets on a conveyor belt and then kiln fired. This cutting-edge method creates larger, thinner slabs, incredibly consistent, with fewer imperfections and improved sustainability. Plus, the non-porous surface resists stains, bacteria, and mold, making it a dream material for kitchens and hygienic spaces. Here's where the magic really happens. Thanks to advanced digital printing technology, each slab is designed with a lifelike pattern and rich details that capture the beauty of natural stone, concrete, and even metals. And with color body design, these slabs deliver an elegant, cohesive look, especially on finished edges. Imagine getting the luxurious look you love without the high cost or maintenance of other materials. You'll love how consistent these slabs are. Every batch of De La Terra porcelain slabs is manufactured in a controlled environment, ensuring uniform color and design. Many options are even book-matched, meaning the slabs have mirror image patterns that let you create a seamless, artistic flow in your design. Let's talk toughness. De La Terra porcelain slabs are built to last. They're color-fast, even in direct sunlight, and highly resistant to moisture, chlorine, and salt water. That means they're perfect for outdoor settings and high-use areas. Plus, they're lightweight, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. And did we mention their eco-friendly production process? It's a win-win for durability and sustainability. De La Terra porcelain slabs can handle high temperatures effortlessly, making it a fantastic choice for kitchens, fireplaces, and outdoor areas. To keep your surfaces looking their best, use trivets or hot pads to prevent scratches, damage from prolonged heat exposure, or wear from highly abrasive pans. A little care goes a long way. Seams and slab installations may be visible, but with careful planning and precise fabrication, they can be minimized. Edge finishing is also a key to a stunning installation. While De La Terra porcelain slabs are thinner than a typical natural stone or quartz slab, achieving a beautiful edge detail on your countertop is still possible. Available edge options include traditional eased, beveled, and mitered edges. To maintain clean edges, fabricators should use a micro bevel or 1mm round to prevent chipping. Additionally, to ensure the longevity of your installation, sink cutouts and inside corners should have a minimum 6mm radius to reduce stress and avoid cracking. For shower surround edges, consider using a Schluter profile or a standard edge detail for a sleek and modern finish. Here's the best part. De La Terra porcelain slabs are so easy to care for. For daily cleaning, just grab a soft cloth with gentle soap and water or a pH-neutral cleaner. For polished surfaces, use mats and cutting boards to avoid scratches and keep that glossy finish looking flawless. If I could describe De La Terra porcelain slabs in one word, it would be versatile. De La Terra porcelain slabs are perfect for residential and commercial spaces, indoors and outdoors. They're resistant to extreme temperatures and UV rays, making them ideal for outdoor kitchens, patios, and exterior cladding. Their non-porous nature also makes them perfect for wet areas like showers, bathroom walls, pools, and fountains. From kitchens to fireplaces, feature walls, and beyond, these slabs are a stylish and durable solution for any project. Whether you're looking for strength, beauty, or sustainability, De La Terra porcelain slabs check all the boxes. Want to learn more? Stop by one of our showrooms and chat with our expert team. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Pinterest for endless design and inspiration. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and explore even more amazing materials with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.